Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. So the topic for today is number formation. If you are teaching your child or your student at home, or if you are a student and you're watching this, how can you learn writing numbers? So before I share the activities that I have done with my child at home, I'm going to share some basic instructions or some, you can say, language of writing numbers. So if you know the language or instructions, it'll be easier for you or the child or your student you are teaching. The first number that we have over here is 0. To form your 0, we are going to go down and around. The second language that you can use is start on the top and all the way around. For number 1, we are going to go down. For number 2, up, around, down, and go back. Or up, around, down, and go on the right. Okay, so for number 3, up, around, down, back, and around. There are like so many instructions in this, so you can just simplify it by saying up, around, down, and around. Yeah, that's completely up to you what you want for them to understand. 4, down, over, jump up, and down. Yeah. All right. For number 5, there are 2 ways that you can explain number 5. The first one is over, down, and around, or down, around, and hat on the top. Okay. For number 6, down, up, and around, or down, up, and make a loop. Yeah? Alright, for number 7, over and slant down, or over and make a slope. Slant line or slope, it's the same meaning. That's completely up to you. So for number 8, down, around, back up, and around. Or sometimes to learn number 8, what we do is we make an S, back up, and around. For number 9, round and go down. Yeah, so this is how you can learn the number formation from 0 to 9. If you know the formation from 0 to 9, you can write any number after this. You can write 11, 21, 23, from 0 to 100, any number, because if you know how to write the basics from 0 to 9, you can easily write any number. So let's move on to the activity that I have shared with my child at home. My God, you are so smart. ऐसे stick करें, ऐसे जोर से. ऐसे करें, ऐसे spread करें, ऐसे.
Oh, ये.
अब number 2 पे ऐसे round and go back.
Yes.
Round and go on the right. Good job. Good job. You want to take a purple color? Good job. Next.
ये देखें.
Good job. Very nice. Very nice. ऊपर से. Yeah.
नहीं.
Good job. It's okay. It's good. It's very good. Next. Next. इधर ये next.
ये.
ये next. It's okay. Yeah. Next. Good. Very good. No problem. It's okay. If it's crooked, it's okay. It's okay to be crooked. Good job. Next. Good job. Number 1 is done. Now do number 2. Round. And we're going to go on the right. Oh wow, look how lovely this 2 is, Yahya. Wow. Look at the 2 you made. Very nice. Chale, next. Wow, look at that. High five. High five. Good job. It's a 0. What is it? It's a
0.
It says around and around and around we go. Then we get home, we have a 0. Then round. Where's the round? Where's the round? Yes. Then hat on the top. My God. You're so smart, Chanu. Good job. You want to do it again?
Yes.
Yes?
6.
Huh? What number is this?
6.
Okay, now make a curve. How will you make a curve? Make a curve like this and then a loop.
What?
Okay? Make a curve. Then make a loop. Good job. Okay, now make a 1. 1 यहाँ बनाए. Make a 1. Good. Okay. Good job. You are so smart.